I am from Pennsylvania, but we are not engaged.
And we are not rebranding.
But he did give me a rock.
Hey, the Joel the Junk Man, Hope Lulu Litter House. We run every day and we pick up every piece of litter that we can carry. And today, we're wearing our 27th consecutive pair of Hoka Bondis.
And since we bought them with a $110 gift certificate from the Aardvark Sports Shop, we're going to donate another 30 cents a mile for every one of the 400 miles we run in these shoes to the sanctuary at Haskell, where I was adopted. Pick up that thing!
And about that,